Hey yo, it's RaFitness1013. We back at it again with another meal prep. Today we're cooking up kale greens. We got the Beyond Meat sausage. Yeah, you see it. Okay, this is my first time trying this. Actually, I'm gonna let you guys know, so stay tuned. Follow. Also, we got a pineapple. We're gonna wish it luck. On the last video it was bad, but we're gonna pray about it. We got a cucumber, and we're gonna get straight to it just like we like to do it. Like, subscribe, comment, and let's do it. All right, we got the onions going in. The rest of the kale going in. So the kale is just like cooking collards. I don't know if you guys may be familiar with cooking collards. Well, you should be. If you collards, simple, easy. Kale, simple, easy, let it soak. I let it soak for at least 2 hours before I'm cooking it. So right now we got the kale cooking. We also got the onions sauteing up. We're gonna let that kale cook for a little bit. We're gonna saute these onions. Once I get that right, we're gonna put in the Beyond Meat sausage. And like I told y'all, this is my first time trying this product, so I'm gonna let you guys know what I think about it. I've heard good and bad reviews on it, but I'm gonna let you guys know my reviews. And then we're gonna also touch base about the detoxing tea from last week. When it gets real green, then it's cooking. So this is what I mean when I say real green. It gets real green. Got the onions going. I'm gonna put in this little veggie broth. Let that cook some more. Let that marinate. I'm gonna try the Beyond Meat sausage. As you can see, I got it all cut up. We're gonna try a piece. It tastes like all the other Beyond Meat, honestly. It's good though. I don't really taste the spice, but it say it's supposed to be hot. But it may be hot to someone else, but it's not really hot to me. But it may be because I like hot stuff. So let's see. Greens looking like they looking good. Let me try one. See where we at. It's hot. They ready. What we're gonna do is transfer these greens into this frying pan and let them cook for a little bit. And then we'll mix everything together. And while you got it up in here, you wanna add in your seasonings as well. Go ahead, add in your seasoning. Of course, we're gonna put my favorite in here, the Slutty Vegan seasoning. Slap your mama. Pepper. Crushed red pepper. And last but not least, a little bit of brag. I ain't never hurt nobody. Stir that up. So we got the greens back in the pot. We're gonna add in the Beyond Meat sausage and the onions. bit of more veggie broth. And just a tad bit of water. I made a mistake and poured the water out from the greens, but it'll be fine. Kale and Beyond Meat sausage. We're gonna try it out, see what we're working with. All right, so the kale greens is all done. Here's the final product. Looking good, right? So the only thing we gotta do, you guys, is put them in the bowl, cut up our pineapple and cucumber, and we're gonna be all set, good to go. Let me give y'all a more close view of the greens. Got the kale greens with the Beyond Meat sausage. Looking good, looking good. And as you already know, I do intermittent fasting, so this is gonna be my dinner. On top of, I have a smoothie, and as you guys see as well, I have some pineapple and cucumber this week. Well, this weekend. Like I told you guys, I would give you guys my review on the Gucci Man white tea. Last week I shared with you guys my first week experience. My second week, I finished the 14-day detox. Yay. Like I told you guys in the first video, a lot of pressure. It's a very good detoxing tea. I recommend it if you're going to begin your journey. It's always good to detox before you start your journey. Get all that backed up, out of you, and start fresh. So it's always good. I recommend it. It's definitely worth the money. Definitely worth the money. This pineapple, you guys, is kind of, I'm confused. That's why I paused. I'm confused whether or not I like it or not. I actually let this one sit for probably about a week. So, or a few days at least, I will say. But I don't know if I like it. But we're gonna see. I'm gonna cut it down some more and see. I like it. I like it. That's better. That's more like a product. I don't know what we was working with the week before last, but honey, it was bad off. But like I told you guys, as far as the detox, I recommend it. The NutriBurst, I recommend it. Get it, go get it. Also, coming up in the next video, I got some other products that I definitely recommend that I also use. I try to keep you guys updated as far as what it is that I've used on my journey that worked for me. And like I always tell you guys, you do what works best for you. But give it a try. If it worked for me, it worked for someone else. So with that being said, give it a try, give it a shot, give it a y'all. You can do it. So we done it again, another meal prep for the next 3 days. Go get your Beyond Meat. I told you guys where you can get it at in stores. Comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think as far as the Beyond Meat sausage. Until next time, RaFitness1013.